with the lovely lady Ritu Singh from Lady Irwin College. Ritu Singh. If you are anywhere in the auditorium, I would request you to quickly come backstage. आप बाहर से आ जाओ. If you can just come in backstage. All right. Next contestant is Pooja Kharbanda from NDM VPS College, Nasik. All right, that's the Nasik gang right there. अच्छा से आप दो ही लोग हो क्या? Contestant is Kriti Puri from GIVMC Belagaon, I think. Belgaum. All right, Belgaum, I think. Okay, the men, the guys who made it is Jitendra Kumar Dickey from RNTMC Pune, Sandeep Mahajan from LLRM Medical College Meerut, and Abhishek Bhattacharya from PDVVPF Medical College Ahmednagar. Very warm welcome to you. All right, so Jitendra is here, Sandeep. If I could request all the contestants who've come in, just join me on the stage. Can I request all the contestants to just join me on the stage, please, once? Sandeep Mahajan from LLRM. Aye, Janab. Medical College, Ahmednagar. That's all, please. All right. अच्छा लड़कियों के आते ही शायद आंखें ऐसी हो गई, बत्ती जल गई एकदम से, है? Very good. Sandeep and Abhishek. Sandeep and Abhishek Bhattacharya. All right, Sandeep is coming there. Abhishek Bhattacharya. अरे भैया इसको जगह Bhattacharya. अच्छा ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उसके बाद भाग जाओगे? All right, just kidding. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to request you to kindly move backstage now. We'll do it in an alternate fashion. All right, to begin with, we're going to invite in our first contestant, Ritu Singh from Lady Irwin College, to join us on the stage for the first round, which is the talent round. Very warm welcome to you, Ritu. And what is the talent that you're going to be showcasing to our audience today?
I want to recite one of my maiden experience poem, which I wrote for the first time while I was in standard 9th. I can't do it.
What we're going to do, I've just been told that we also have some very special judges who are going to be joining us in right here. So अब मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि आप में से वो कौन अच्छा राजा बेटा या राजा बेटी है जो अपनी जगह छोड़ेगा जजेस के लिए? सर वाह. Everybody, I'm going to request you to kindly give every contestant a little time, which is about 1 minute that we are giving them. So let them perform for 1 minute. I feel they deserve it to be right here. So let's give them 1 minute while they're performing. But before that, I would like to invite in our judges. We're joined by 2 judges, but right now I'm going to request Dr. R.K. Yadav from the Department of Psychology to Physiology. I'm sorry. Physiology. I just gave you 1 more. Welcome in, sir. Okay, so the first round is going to be a simple introduction round and then your talent. So please introduce yourself and then showcase your talent.
I'm Ritu. I'm from Lady Irwin College doing post-graduation in Human Development and Childhood Studies. And my maiden experience, and it's on love, which goes on like this. Love is a flower which blooms in its own shade. One who knows its value will never let it fade. Love is a play, as Shakespeare said.